Welcome back. Today, we are going to show you how to collect customer reviews for Yelp smoothly using automated review request emails. We will do that by using the TrustSync app, which enhances brand reputation. Log into your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the TrustSync tab, then Review Settings tab. First, set up the Auto Review Publish feature. Then, simply choose from the drop-down menu which star ratings you want to automatically showcase on review platforms. Next, you need to select a review platform. Click on Add Review Link, select Yelp from the drop-down menu. Now, we need to collect and add the Yelp review link here. Go to the Yelp website. Type your business name along with its location in the search bar. Click on your company name to open the business page. Locate the Write a Review button and click it. This will take you to another page where customers can leave their reviews. From here, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Go back to the TrustSync dashboard. Paste the link you just copied into the review link field. If you want to publish all reviews to Yelp, set the frequency to 100% in your review settings. If you want to skip displaying negative feedback on Yelp, put a check on Custom Negative Feedback form and add the form link. Click Save Changes and you're all set. This is how you can boost your Yelp platform with customer reviews. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time.